Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply award a review in Steam. So let's start. So I have this desktop Ricardo on my Steam right now, and let's say that I really like this comment here. Or like, we'll probably win the best game of the year, right? And now what I'm going to do, I will just click award. And you have options, like you can add poetry, hot take, behaviors, hardworking. I will choose the poetry here. Next, please confirm you would like to use. The reward will show immediately, and the recipient will receive 100 bonus points after 14 days. Give award. Woo! And this is how we do it. So I just gave him the award. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.